This is Netra studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, in this video, let us discuss the topic People Factors in Agile Software Development and Project Management, which comes under the subject Software Engineering and Project Management. Abstract. As agile methods gain popularity, many software organizations are shifting from traditional approaches to agile development. Unlike predictive models, agile is adaptive and emphasizes people. It encourages small collaborative teams that work closely together. However, the size of these is influenced by various human factors which are often neglected during implementation. This study aims to identify the key human factors that need to be considered for a team to be effective when adopting Agile. It examines three Agile teams of different sizes, all using the same technologies and Scrum methodology. The research utilizes both objective and subjective measures supported by survey data. These findings highlight that selecting the right people for each team is essential for agile methodologies to succeed. Next, research objectives and methodology. Research objectives is this paper addresses two primary questions, that is, what is the optimal team size of agile methodologies to be effective? And the other question is what people related factors should be considered when managing agile teams. Next, going to the methodology, the study examines three agile teams working on projects of varying size but with similar complexity and technology stacks such as Java, Oracle, Spring MVC. The teams are analyzed by performance based on budget adherence, on-time delivery, defect rate, rework level data, which is collected using objective measures and subjective measures. Objective measures such as project management tools like JIRA and measures such as employee surveys and management observations. Next, going to the introduction, agile methodologies are gaining popularity, focusing on adaptability and collaborating in small teams. However, factors related to team size and individual behaviors can impact the success of agile implementation. These investigate these human factors by analyzing three agile teams of different size using Scrum, aiming to determine how team composition and behavior affect agile performance. Next, agile and people development. It highlights the importance of team size, communication, and individual psychology in achieving project success. First, under that first point is team size. Smaller teams, that is 3 to 7 members, tends to be more effective due to reduced communication complexity. Larger teams can lead to increased communication challenges and decreased productivity. Next, communication. Effective communication is crucial for agile teams. Miscommunication can hinder progress and collaboration. Next, individual psychology. Factors like motivation, self esteem, and the flow state can significantly impact individual and team performance. Next, agile practice. Agile methods can foster motivation, collaboration, and a sense of belonging among team members. Next, people factors. Soft factors such as team climate, diversity, innovation, and leadership behavior can influence team performance. Next, going to the challenges. Agile adoption can prevent challenges like developer fear, the need for multi-skilled individuals can and cultural changes. Communication channel complexity. The formula for communication channel complexity is n into of n minus 1 divided by 2 is used to calculate the number of communication channels within a group of people. Its fundamental concept is in organizational dynamic and team management. Let's break down the formula. N represents the total number of people in the group. N minus 1, this subtracts 1 from the total number of people. N into n minus 1 multiplies the total number of people by the result of subtracting 1. /2, that is, it divides the product by 2. Next, why is this formula used? Direct communication and two-way communication. Direct communication means it assumes that each person can communicate directly with every other person in the group. Two-way communication means the formula accounts for the fact that communication is in two-way process. For example, if a person A communicates with person B, it is considered a separate channel from B communicating with the person A. Efficiency and complexity. As the group size increases, the number of communication channel grows exponentially. These can lead to increased complexity and potential misunderstandings. Example, let us consider a team of 5 members. That is, total number of people in a group is 5, which is n is equal to 5. Next, n minus 1, that is which subtracts 1 from total number of people. Total number of people is 5, so 5 minus 1 equals 4. Next, n into n minus 1, that is 5 into 4, which is equal to 20. Next, /2, which is equal to 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 10. Therefore, a team of 5 people has 10 possible communication channels. Implications for team overload. As the number of communication channel increases, it becomes more difficult for individuals to manage all the interactions. This can lead to information overload and decreased efficiency. Coordination. Effective coordination is crucial in larger teams to ensure that information flows smoothly and that everyone is on the same page. Next, team structure. The formula can be used to access the potential for communication bottlenecks and to help determine optimal team structure. In conclusion, the formula n into n minus 1 divided by 2 provides a valuable tool for understanding the complexity and of communication within a group. By recognizing the exponential growth in communication channels, teams can take steps to improve coordination and avoid information overload. Proposed methodology. Company background. The study was conducted in a transportation and service company with a mature IT department. The company has used several development methodologies and recently switched to Agile with Scrum. Software development teams are located in Maltus with the head office in UK, that is United Kingdom. A study of agile teams. The research studied 3 different agile teams referred to as Project A, Project B, and C over 6 months. The only major difference between the teams were project team and team size. They all followed the same agile principles and rules. Project size. Project A had 1,800 man days, that is 8.2 man years, with a team of 22 members. Project B with 800 man days, that is 3.6 man years, with a team of 12 members. Next, Project C, 120 man days, that is 0.5 man years, with a team of 5 members. Technologies used. All 3 projects use the same technologies, that is Java or Oracle or Spring MVC. The complexity level of each project was high. Conclusion. This study focused excessively on agile methodology within a Scrum framework, emphasizing the importance of accessing the company's culture, structure, and processes before adopting agile practices. It aimed to evaluate the impact of people factors on agile team performance using a small group of similar projects that varied only in size and team composition. The findings provide valuable insights for team leader in selecting the right team member with the help of organization, determine if agile is suitable for them. Future research should be explored these factors across a diverse project with varying complexity and technologies.